Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're signed into the correct Google account and chat is enabled. This prevents access errors. Open Gmail or Chat. Google. And select Chat in the left column so you see spaces. Use the search bar at the top to type the space name or a member's email. This narrows results immediately. Once you see matching spaces, hover or tap to preview members and recent messages so you can verify it's the right space before joining. When you click the space result, inspect details and the member list so you understand its purpose. That helps avoid joining the wrong group. If the space is open, click Join and you'll enter immediately. If it's restricted, click Request Access and notify an owner with a brief message explaining why you need entry. Once admitted, set notification level and check your display name so others recognize you. This improves clarity and reduces accidental mutes. Finish by posting a short hello so you confirm send permissions and can view pinned files. This verifies full access. Make sure to adjust notifications, join or mute threads, and confirm your role if the space uses custom permissions, because those affect what you can do. If you can't join or see limited content, contact a space owner or your admin to check membership rules and account permissions. This often resolves blocked joins quickly and prevents wasted waiting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.